Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents. Today we will learn about daily activities, colors, numbers and shapes and simple questions. Are you ready? Let's start the adventure. Daily activities. I like to play. I like to play. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. I'm eating lunch. I'm eating lunch. I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water. I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. It's time for brushing teeth. It's time for brushing teeth. Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Can we play a game? Can we play a game? Simple questions. What is this? What is this? Who is that? Who is that? Where is my toy? Where is my toy? Can I have that? Can I have that? How do you feel? How do you feel? Is this your book? Is this your book? What time is it? What time is it? Where are we going? Where are we going? How many apples do you have? How many apples do you have? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Colors, numbers and shapes. This is a red ball. This is a red ball. I have 3 pencils. I have 3 pencils. Look, it's a circle. Look, it's a circle. My shirt is blue. My shirt is blue. I can count to 10. I can count to 10. I see a big square. I see a big square. Can you draw a triangle? Can you draw a triangle? How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have? The sky is so bright today. The sky is so bright today. This is a green apple. This is a green apple. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.